Zhuhai sky makes your heart fly. Don't ask me why. It's just Zhuhai.
Okay, this right here is Gongda Group Dragon Ball Garden. So I guess this is like one of these right here, and it's kind of a gated community, it seems like. And there's like mountains on that side. There's mountains and kind of gates kind of everywhere. And if I walk all the way down, it goes to the beach. So let me just kind of show you where it's at on the map so you can see exactly where it is yourself. Another Zhuhai for you. Dragon Ball Garden. So let's just put this up on the map so you can see where we are. And basically I just went up and had it drop me off at something called Dragon Ball Garden. And I just kind of meandered back. And I think everything that you want to see will be in the video anyways when I kind of describe what it is. But the most importantly is where it's at. So I was kind of curious to see what different spots are like in Zhuhai. This is the spot. Alright, as if you're there yourself. So yeah, you probably saw it on the map already, but we're kind of like surrounded by all the forest and mountains, and the beach would be directly down that way. Tangjia is north of here, like on the other side of these mountains, and there's also universities over there too. And what I did is I just asked Aditi to take me up the street because I just wanted to see what was here, and I can see now. So I can see it's basically like gated communities everywhere, apartments, residential, playground, and a lot of like security basically. So that basically means there's not much commercial, you know, like no stores or anything like that, at least not in my immediate sight. And yeah, you have to kind of go through communities, and then you have all these apartments everywhere. So I was kind of curious what it was like, and now I have an idea, and we're just going to walk towards the ocean, which is directly this way, and we'll just kind of capture what we can capture. And let me turn the camera off, and then we're going to go up a little bit further ahead. There's even lots of security cameras. There's one right there that I'm filming. So yeah, it's kind of a very secure neighborhood. Oh yeah, so there's like lots of apartments, tall skinny apartments, and then also like these. You see the mountains on the other side now too. So it's basically just a little community of mountains on all three sides with the ocean straight ahead. So yeah, so you kind of get an idea anyways. Now we actually got some sidewalk. So yeah, why am I filming this? It's basically I just want to, I want to see what Zhuhai looks like more for myself. And then also just kind of like put all the pieces together because it's a really big city. Just to give you some idea, it's very spread out. So if you look at a map of Zhuhai and you put Zhuhai in Google Maps, for example, you'll get one area that goes all the way out to Domen. It's about maybe 60 kilometers or about an hour to get all the way over that side of, you know, like 60 kilometers is a pretty big space. And then up here it goes north too. Zhuhai goes way up north to Tangjia, which used to be like its own little village. There's like even drainage up here, mountains. So that's kind of why I wanted to see more parts of what Zhuhai looks like, even in these little areas, because this is a community that would have access to the beach, more or less. Like the mountains are on the three sides, and then the beach is the one side that's open. When we get down here, there'll be lots of other obstacles, like a highway, major road, I mean, such like that. Anyways, let's go up there further. Okay, so we have a little bit of a community area. There's some wall murals, seagulls on the murals, and then you have all these places that you can sit and hang out too. And it looks like you could even play the Qingqi, I think it's called. So you could put pieces here and play the Chinese chess. So there's a community for that. I don't know how often it's used. Maybe in the evening. But anyways, you can see up there, there's mountains. So that one just goes straight into like all the residential business area stuff. Basketball, which looks like it's also a community too. More community stuff. Not much commercial at all. So let's just bring the camera up until we get something more interesting. Cameras everywhere up here, in here too. Yeah, there's a school right there. When I think of this community, it feels very car oriented. Like, I don't know if you'd wait for buses here. I think everybody would have a car. You drive into your parking for your apartment, gated community. Yeah, it's like, definitely has its own little vibe. Some beautiful trees. I think that's one of the first benches that I've seen that you can sit while you're walking around outside. But yeah, I think for the most part you can see these gates, and then there's lots of like grass on that side, and over there there's grass over there too on the other side of that gate. So it looks like basically it's set up that, you know, you're in your community and you have your gates, and then you probably sit outside. I don't know about this area, but other parts of Zhuhai, I'll see benches right there on the inside of that exercise equipment. So they have it in the inside. Other places in Zhuhai I've seen apartments too, where they're also like gated like that, like a block of apartments, and then I'll see like a dozen ping pong tables, you know, like community for that, for the people that live there, stuff like that. I'll see that a lot. They probably have stuff like that in here too. Here's some places on the outside that you can sit. And then this is kind of a community that looks like you can have your own parking in there, in your own apartments. It's like a kiosk way in there. We should probably go to the other side because there's no parked cars. So let's walk over to that side. And then yeah, the major road is straight ahead, so we're gonna get to that. So let's move ahead to get up there. As we get closer to the major road, you can see some bicycles. So people will, I guess they'll rent bikes up to this spot, I guess. I didn't see any bicycles behind us. So I don't know if they would park their bike here and then walk to their apartment. I don't know. But anyways, there are a bunch of rental bikes right here, the city bikes. Anyways, let's get up a little bit further ahead. A little vegetable stand, you can get some fresh garlic. Hello. So, and there's more right here too, so you can also get some fresh fruits and fresh vegetables. Okay. And it looks like got more rental bikes here. Gas station right there. And we have this major road. And when I looked at the map, one of the things I noticed was that there is beaches over there and over there, but then there's another peninsula that juts out over here. So this community is kind of feels a little bit isolated or secluded, which may be what some people want. There's a gas station right there. But yeah, those are the apartments. It just goes right up in that road in that way. Oh, looks like a park right here, public bathroom right there. So there must be some park that you can enjoy in this area. And then if we want to get to the beaches, that's the name in Chinese. And if we want to get to the beaches, you have to go past these little mountains here, all these trees, or go down here. So what we're gonna do is try to walk down a little ways and try to figure it out. We'll see if we can access the beach or not. I don't know how far it is, but anyways, there's a gas station, and I'm in a little thing for bikes, a bike lane, and then that's the road you'd have to cross to get over to the beach side. So let's see what we can see down there. There's some commercial businesses over here, pharmacy and such. So yeah, I did see on a map, I did see another street that goes back a little bit, so I guess they do have some access to pharmacies and such. Maybe we'll walk through that side. So so stay tuned for that. Hello. And we're gonna go up into this little pharmacy and just see what's, and there's the backside. Look at those nice windows. Okay, so over here we have a pharmacy, a place to buy fruits and vegetables. And it looks like we have a giant grocery store maybe. I don't know what that is. might be, it says 24 hours. That might be some kind of, something that's 24 hours. Maybe, don't know, could be anything. It's like a little bit of security. Let's go back out onto the road, but at least you kind of have like something inside here. And it looks like there might be a little bit more down that way. And then if we go down this way, we go back to the main road again. And then now through the trees, I can make out a little bit of the ocean way over there. Let's see if we can figure out a way to get over there. Another road that goes up. And then if we can catch this, I don't know if I can catch it or not. Looks like I might be able to. Caught it, green light still. So now we're gonna be walking in the heat, and then I can see the ocean directly above. And then those are some of those mountains that we were seeing from that little community, and there's more mountains there. Whew, it's hot. So let's go to the beach and we'll end this one so you can kind of get an idea of that community. Yeah, it's kind of nice. This is like northern Zhuhai. It's kind of chill up here. Yeah, you can see some of the apartments right there, and mountains. And so let's just navigate around the corner and show you the beach. As we approach the beach, I see another community, nice houses. It looks like these are more like single family, like you know, they're not high rises, they're like a mansion almost kind of stuff. So that's across from this particular beach. I think this is called, we're near Tangjia, which is like the northern part of Zhuhai. And now you can start to see some of our beach straight ahead. So yeah, that's that other community up there. And then now we have this particular beach, which is quite a bit more chill and relaxed. So that's that peninsula that I was kind of mentioning that goes out, you know. So so that community there, there's a peninsula on the map. You can see it if you go back to the spot where it has the map at, and now you can see this whole space and what it looks like. So it's then up there is all Tangjia, like way up there. So kind of interesting. You get an idea that there is a beach here, that there's access to it. This beach does get really pretty up there more, but I guess this particular spot is a little bit more rocky, which might have its own beauty as well. That's where we're coming from. This is kind of interesting. So if the water does get too deep, it'll go through to the other side instead of like, so that's kind of a nice drainage system in case the waters rise and go past this. You can have quite a ways to get up to the mountain to get to the road itself, which is good. I lived in Japan for a while, so water does, you know, you never know. Okay, anyways, we're gonna go up to there and then we'll end it because I want to see what's around the corner there. It's too bad the GoPros don't have zoom lenses, but there's like a really cool little thing up there that looks like tourists can go up there, up on the mountaintop. And then I do see that most of these communities look like they're like single family mansion kind of stuff up on the main road there. That's where we're coming from. And then you still have the rocky shoreline here. But then in this spot, there's a bunch of people setting up wedding photos, which is maybe, I don't know how easy it is to see with the camera lens without it being a zoom, but you can see them right there. There's one guy with a nice professional camera. There's a bunch of them with professional cameras, but there's two couples doing their thing, so it's pretty cool. Okay, and then down that way would be if when we keep on going down, but I think we're going to end it there. That's all Tangjia, the downtown area, and we have all these nice looking couples everywhere. So I think we're going to end it there.